What's up everyone, my name is Struan and welcome to my Cali kitchen. I just started doing a few cooking videos online, I don't know if you've seen them, but today I'm going to do something different. Today I'm going to do a teriyaki chicken wing recipe. Now, this is my favorite dish of all time that my mom has always made, and I think it's the best chicken wings recipe ever, but I might be biased. And we're going to do this totally different. I haven't seen anything like this because I'm shooting this on my 360 Gopro Max camera. So you'll be able to look around, look at everything. You'll be able to see my mom's awesome kitchen, fully stocked kitchen. Makes it really easy to make awesome dishes. You can watch me make put in all the ingredients and be a bit immersive. It's my first time to do it, so I don't know what it's like. Hopefully it's cool. Please do let me know what you guys think. And also, if you cook the recipe, please let me know if you liked it. And you can always hit me up for any tips or questions. So at the same time, while I'm making the teriyaki chicken wings, my girlfriend here, Kate, beautiful Kate, what are you making, honey?
I am making stir-fried vegetables with miso butter sauce.
That's pretty good. That's gonna go well with the chicken wings. Now, because the chicken wings take a while to cook, Kate has started there, so she's making that. And while I will show you how to make the sauce. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna show you what ingredients I use. Main ingredients: mirin, Japanese soy sauce, sugar and lots of it. I've got black pepper over here. I like to make my own, crush my own black pepper. I find it's better than using the mill. I don't know why, just do. Lots of garlic. Ginger. Now, the ginger, I actually squeeze the ginger and make it into a juice because if you don't like the texture of the ginger in your sauce, you can just put the juice and that's just as good. I like to use mostly the ginger juice and then I'll put a little bit of the ginger in it just because I do like the texture of ginger. Some people don't. My mom doesn't, I do. So this is what we change recipes. I mean, this is her recipe and I'm just tweaking it to my own taste. But I mean, my mom is an excellent chef. And chilies. I usually use about 2 small red chilies. Today I have 3 because we got quite a lot of chicken wings over there. So, but I mean, it's up to you. It's up to your taste because I like things sweet and spicy, so I tend to put quite a bit of sugar and quite a bit of chili. Now, an option I do have is to use panocha. I use this in conjunction with the sugar. It just gives it a nice, I like to say Filipino taste, right? Now we need to put the sugar because we need the sauce to caramelize. And it's caramelized and it's gonna stick on the chicken. So let's get started. I usually start with the mirin. So I don't put too much soy and make it too salty. Now we got quite a bit of chicken wings there, so we're gonna have to make quite a bit of sauce. Also because we're gonna have to reduce it later on. Now with any dish or any sauce that you make, it's always good to taste as you go. So that's how you tweak it. So I tend to taste almost in every step. It also helps me learn, what each ingredient tastes like and what it does to the sauce, to the dish. It's quite nice. Now I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of sugar. You're going to want to stir that in so it melts. We'll add the ginger already. So, when I said this was the first time to do this a while ago, I was kind of lying. Kate and I shot a teriyaki chicken dish, which is very similar, except instead of using chicken wings, I used, cut up chicken bits. And I recorded the whole thing, and I actually thought that I did really well. My spills were good, probably even better than I'm doing right now. So,
You're doing great.
But yeah, yesterday I went to edit it, and there was a bug from the camera, so all the footage captured, but none of the audio. So bummer, means you have to do it again. Which is okay for me because I love the dish. I love the recipe, but maybe not okay for my dad, who I'm also cooking for now, because he's gonna have to eat the same thing twice. But no choice, because I'm cooking.
Okay, the second time is the charm, or is it third time's the charm?
No, second. I'm not doing this again. Okay. That's tasting pretty good. Let's put the ginger juice. I love ginger. I love the taste of it. It's a nice spice. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of the actual ginger. And do we put all 3 chilies, or do I start with 2? Start with 2. Everybody in this house does like it kind of spicy, but I have been told I do make things too spicy sometimes. So I'm gonna do it gradually. Smoke's okay. It's got a nice ambiance. Not bad, not bad. Oh, another ingredient for garnish later is I use toasted sesame seeds. Those really nice on top of the chicken wings. But I wait till the end. Bit of pepper. Just like a salt bay it, pepper bay. Yeah, I also have a lot of corny jokes, as my girlfriend will tell you. Not always a hit, but I do once in a while. That was not one. And like I said, I'll add some panocha. Now panocha is cane sugar, in case you didn't know. And it comes in this sort of half ball looking, it's pure brown sugar. I'll show you sometime. And then we just melt it, and then we put it, we can keep it. See, makes it handy.
How's our chicken looking? Am I doing okay?
Let's go have a look at the chicken. Babe, the chicken is looking great.
Okay, good.
Yeah, perfect. High five.
Awesome.
Okay, so the chicken wings, right? You can grill them or fry them. Frying is quicker and easier.
Quicker and easier, but we prefer grilling. It's
grilling's
a little
nicer.
healthier.
It's healthier. It's got those crunchy bits when you bite into it, and I find that it cooks the chicken nicer. It's juicier.
Yeah. And what kind of chicken do you prefer using with this sauce? I like it with the cut-offs, the chicken thighs, but Struan likes it with the wings.
Oh yeah, I like the wings because for some reason, and I'm sure some of you agree with me, food tastes better when you use your hands, right?
Yes.
It's more of an experience too, so I do like that. Oh, and another special ingredient, every time I cook, beer, for that nice buzz. It just makes cooking more exciting. Alright, so we've got the sauce ready. See how easy that was? And the chicken is almost done. So we're gonna wait for that to be done, and then we're gonna switch over to the grill. Yes, and I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. All right, and we're back. So now is the time to make the sauce. So let's start it up. Make sure the tank is open. Okay. Now you're gonna want to put your heat in about a medium heat because we're gonna caramelize this sauce.
But not too high because you might burn it.
Yes, not too high.
Same as like I always do.
Yeah, because the sugar can burn, so you want to put it
Yeah.
medium, and then you're going to you're gonna make it boil for longer, and then we're gonna reduce it. I always forget that word, reduce.
Right.
Reduce, and then until we caramelize it. Then we're gonna put it all over the chicken. It's gonna be good.
Ready?
Double check that sauce just to make sure I don't need to add anything else. Now you can tweak this any way you want. I even add Szechuan peppers sometimes if I want to be really different. Okay, very nice. Szechuan peppers have a nice taste to them, a nice afterburn. Not everybody loves them, but I do. That is good. Okay, make sure the pan's hot. Pour in the sauce. We're gonna raise the heat up a little bit, bring it to a boil. Now, as my mom always says, clean as you go. So a clean kitchen is a good kitchen to work in. which is, I love cooking, I hate cleaning, I hate washing dishes. So, alright, check the heat up. Now, cooking is, you know, it helps to have the right equipment. It makes it so much easier, and it's more fun to cook, especially if you have all the ingredients too. If you're complete with ingredients, damn, the things you can come up with, sky's the limit. And I must, you know, stress this. Every time you cook it, use the freshest ingredients you can. It makes a huge difference. It really does. It's got that nice home cooked feel. I mean, you can tell when it's from a chain restaurant or something. It's just not the same.
Plus taste-wise.
Taste-wise,
really
yeah. Fresh, especially fresh vegetables,
Yeah.
fresh produce. It's the way to go.
Man. Hey guys, you hungry? So we have special guests today.
Oh yeah?
These two handsome Frenchies. Come here.
Yeah, we have a lot of dogs. I'd like to introduce you to Marcel and Aiden. They're only 2 of 20. We do have quite a few. And they're our kitchen guardians.
Yeah.
And also our garbage collectors and excess meat eaters.
Explains why they're so big.
And you know, we don't need doggy bags, we have actual dogs. And they eat all the leftovers. Okay, look at that. Okay, so you know what? That sauce is almost ready. I can start throwing it in chicken wings.
Okay, cool. I have two on the grill, but these are ready to
Okay,
go.
so you know that looks like a lot, but you know we're gonna coat the chicken wings back in front, all around, and so that's actually gonna reduce it even more. Now I suggest putting them in one by one and coating them first. Okay, just so we know they all get coated evenly.
I'm gonna start with the vegetables.
Okay. Just love. Now, I've thought about calling this cooking experiment channel the Cali Kitchen. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it, or I should think of something else. Oh, and I thought, you know, this is my recipe for chicken wings, and it's called Stru's Hot Chix.
I like it.
See, I told you.
think it's clever.
See, my jokes are hit and miss sometimes. That one was more of a hit. Okay. Caramelize that chicken. Make sure that the camera's still rolling, because if I screw this up, I have to make it all start again, and then that's gonna be a big pain. Okay. You know, and I mean, guys, don't just watch this video. Literally, try to make the recipe. This will change your lives.
Yeah.
This is
Has
my
to.
comfort food. It's perfect in this rainy day. So, you know, I've coated all these chicken wings, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them until the sauce almost dries up and sticks, caramelize. Now I have to warn you, while I can cook, and I'm pretty good with sauces, I suck at being clean when I drop shit everywhere. As
That's
Kate will
one
tell
thing
you,
he has to learn.
I am not good at it.
No, but it's part of the fun, making a mess. But the food isn't. It's like, I mean, the food's great.
Let's see. I'm actually going to lift the flame just a little bit because I want it to burn a bit more so it sticks to the chicken. So that actually worked out okay, because when we did teriyaki chicken the other day with chicken thighs, I mean, it was good,
They were good.
but you know, chicken wings is my favorite. Absolute favorite. There we go, look at that. Ooh la la. I'm getting hungry.
Wow, it smells good.
Thank you, love. Actually turning out better than the teriyaki chicken.
So you want it to look sticky, almost like a syrup.
Yeah, well, you want it to really be sticky
Yeah.
and dry.
And yeah, almost
Yeah, so
dry.
it's not a sauce you put on top and then it's like a watery sauce. It's actually going to stick on to the chicken wings. And you'll see that as I go through. Alright, so now we're at the end. As you can see. This is great. You can see it's all, when the sauce is almost gone, it's all caramelized over the chicken. Really good. Now I'm going to put a garnish. Toasted sesame seeds. That's a nice toast flavor. A little bit more. Fold it around. There you go. Garnished. Alright, and that's pretty much it. See, super easy, super tasty. Please do try it and let me know what you think. And yeah, here's a close-up. Pretty good. Alright. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit me up. Comment, like, share, all of that. See you in the next one.